Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by isolating where the lag originates. First, check connections: HDMI, optical, USB, and any adapters because converters often add latency. Once done, power cycle source, processor, display, and speakers one at a time to clear buffers. This often reveals which device retains delay. Then perform a quick clap test or record with your phone to measure whether audio or video leads. That data determines the next corrective steps, so be precise and note the device sequence. Now you address settings that actually change timing. Enable low latency or game modes on displays and sources, and disable unnecessary pass-through processing, because extra processing adds tens to hundreds of milliseconds. Then set audio delay in your receiver, streaming app, or video editor using the offset you measured. Increase or decrease in small steps until lips match. Make sure firmware and drivers are current. Updates often contain latency fixes, so update and reboot device. Finish by testing across different content: live camera, recorded video, and streaming to confirm consistent sync. Check both audio leading and video leading scenarios. If the mismatch persists, bypass components one by one, connect source directly to display or speaker to identify the culprit and document each change. Make small hardware swaps like a different HDMI cable or alternate capture card, and if a recent update introduced lag, roll it back. If all else fails, recalibrate delays and save profiles for future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.